Hello, today let's show you this customer design for our clients. It's fixed installation outdoor P3.91. The cabinet size is 1000 millimeters wide and 1000 millimeters high. It is 120 millimeters thick. Each LED module size is 250 millimeters by 250 millimeters. The brightness is up to 5500 nits. Waterproof. You can see these two steel posts. They can fix the bottom cabinets and the upper cabinets. This hole is to get the cable through to connect and provide the signal and the power to the upper cabinets. You can see here are two holes. They are both for cables. This is the handle. You can use this to move these cabinets. Okay, now let's take a look at the back side of the cabinet. Here are two fans to reduce the heat for air circulation. Okay. Here are four powers, and it has totally 16 LED modules. Each one power can carry 1, 2, 3, 4 modules. And here are two control cards. Each card can carry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 modules. The power cable connects every power, and signal cable transfer the signal to the other one like this. That's all. Thank you. Bye.